I'm Camille Styles, and I run the lifestyle site CamilleStyles.com, and we work out of our studio right here in Austin, Texas. We discovered a 100-year-old bungalow in downtown Austin that had never been renovated. It was full of charm, but needed a complete gut remodel. We definitely wanted Caesarstone for the kitchen. We kind of wanted the look of marble, so we selected the Calacatta Nuvo, but we wanted the ease of care that Caesarstone provided. We really wanted a super clean color palette that we could transform based on what different types of photo and video shoots we were doing. So the Calacatta Nuvo is such a beautiful, light white color that really went with that monochromatic look we were going for, but the beautiful vein that runs throughout it does give that look of really high-end, luxurious marble and adds some personality to it as well. So I love the look of a seamless countertop that goes straight into the backsplash and also matches the island. I tend to love more simplicity in my design, so being able to stay really consistent through all of those elements, I knew it would achieve the look I was going for. I do like to keep the island kind of on the minimal side because it is so beautiful. I want people to really see the gorgeous materials that we've used. For a breakfast gathering, I would definitely add some plants or some flowers. I always love bringing in some natural elements to decorate a space, especially for a party. And a huge benefit is just the low maintenance aspect. There's constantly photo shoots happening and different people working and cooking in the space. And we have parties and events where people are drinking red wine, and it's so nice to not have to be overly cautious about the way that we enjoy our kitchen, knowing that we can just take a damp cloth and wipe it down at the end of the night. The Caesarstone in the kitchen looks so sleek, so modern. I knew it was going to be beautiful, but when I walked into the space with the waterfall edge island and the backsplash, it really just had so much wow factor.